graduate students, thank you so much for your support. Alumni and parent giving affects every place on campus, from the library to the classroom. We couldn't be here without your support. Thank you.
Your gift has made Willamette possible for me. Thank you.
Thank you for giving me the opportunity to come here and get an education.
Donors have impacted my Willamette experience by providing gifts to the university that sustain this beautiful campus and support the departments that I'm involved with.
Without that, I probably wouldn't be here. You know, it's had a huge impact, I know, on the football field, and you know, a lot of people give back to the community, and it makes it a really good experience overall.
Willamette is such an amazing place because of your support. Without it, we could not continue to grow and be the place that we are now.
Your support goes directly to giving students who don't have the financial abilities to come here grants and scholarships, and the grants have really helped me a lot.
Donor support helps with things like study abroad programs. I just got back from 6 months in Italy, so I really appreciate that.
What you do for us will eventually inspire us to do something for the future generations of here in Willamette.
Willamette is such a wonderful place because of our generous supporters. Your continued generosity is vital to our continued success. Thank you for all that you do.
I just wanted to say thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you for believing in us.
Thank you very much for your support.
Thanks so much.
Thank you for all of your support.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. Everyone here thanks you.
Thank you, donors.
I would just say thank you. Just thank you for what you do, and hopefully one day I can be in a position where I can give back the same way.
Hail to thee, our alma mater.